In this video, we are going to take a look at what's inside section 2. Section 2 is divided into 4 modules. The first module is the module that you are watching. It contains what's inside the section. The second module is actually about technological targets for Flipper Zero. In the second module, we are going to take a look at the features and the uses of Flipper Zero, and everything will be explained in detail. The third module is all about alternative tools of Flipper Zero. Since Flipper Zero is an expensive device and illegal in most countries, importing it or having it is expensive yet illegal. So in this section, we are going to take a look at some alternative tools that can be used instead of Flipper Zero and some legal alternatives to Flipper Zero. Now this section is really important because we are going to take a look at some alternative cheap tools and alternative to Flipper Zero. We are also going to take a look at the features and why Flipper Zero is really known and all the options and features in Flipper Zero. And this section ends with module 4, that is a quiz on section 4. Thank you for watching this video till here. Scan the QR code for a free gift and connect with me.